dedicated to profession and pursuing excellence in craftsmanship. Oppai takes great pride in offering the most innovative and cost-effective products. Since the first integrated kitchen was born in Oppai, we have always been focusing on quality and never compromise. A happy family always comes with a good kitchen. Oppai, your trustworthy kitchen expert. Oppai helps build the kitchen of your dreams, making the kitchen a real place to store family happiness. Preparation and storage are essential. With just a simple touch, cabinet doors open up magically. Thanks to the pull-down basket shelves, you can reach everything in wall cabinets gracefully. Countertops are more reliable due to the innovative reinforcement structure. Cleaning products look tidier for the use of tire basket. Condiments are easy to access and space-saving, and wall space is utilized maximally. Door opening and closing is silent and smooth. Cobra glass self-pin supplied by Italiana Ferramenta from Italy locks your glasses shelves safely in place. You can easily organize various dishes with Oppai-based cabinet pull-outs. Combined with blown motion technology, room can shield runner glides softly and effortlessly. Made from PP, Oppai adjustable leg and bear 100 kg weights per piece, state-of-the-art craftsmanship and excellent functionality. That is our promise to your dream kitchen. The dream kitchen is also eco-friendly and caters to your personal style. Oppai chooses wood panels coming from responsibly harvested forest. All panels comply with European E1 glass, protecting you and your family's health. Aluminum alloy edge banding keeps round objects from slipping off. The nylon anchor is supplied by German Fisher, which holds screws tightly and allows hanging. Each batch of panel is strictly tested according to European quality standards. Oppai is committed to delivering safe products to our consumers. With its primary, standard and premium series, plus with 8 types of door material, Oppai can create 10,000 of color schemes and solutions. Solid wood doors add natural beauty and warmth to your home. Melamine face doors are laminated with deco papers from Germany. Simulation print surface is not only attractive but also scratch-proof and easy to clean. Oppai offers the most trendy door styles. Seamlessly pressed PVC face door panels are perfectly suitable for traditional or country-style kitchens. With the state-of-the-art distress craft, you cannot even tell the difference between PP face door panel and solid wood doors. Vacuum wrapping ensures tight bonding and frame will not blister. Employing world-class PVG and die-hard lacquer, and painted by Italy automatic painting knives. Oppai lacquer doors are shiny and sleek, and the multi-layer painted finish presents excellent performance in scratch and zero resistance. If you like transparent beauty, Oppai flat laminated door panel is your best choice. Its surface is tough and easy to clean. Oppai PMMA ABS door panel employs high-quality PMMA layers for Germany Red Hot and Taiwan TFC. You can also choose our laminated door panels to custom-made different kitchen styles. That is your dream kitchen, where your family comes together to enjoy each other's company over a meal. Life is meant to be delicious. Oppai has always been developing more economic and efficient kitchens, so that you can enjoy every cooking moment more comfortably. Oppai washing system brings not only purified water, but also disposes of garbage quickly. Washing dishes is no longer a burden. This is best stage to show your cooking skills. Certified by National Sanitation Foundation and Greek Guy, Oppai quartz stone comprises of approximately 93% natural quartz. The countertop maintains the beauty and elegance of natural stone. Oppai steam oven is the real all-rounder and makes the perfect partner for an oven and cooktop. Optimizing your personal life is our persistent pursuit. All our key machines and facilities are imported from Germany and Italy. The great number of world-leading machines endows Oppai with the largest production capacity in Asia, but also gives reliable processing, precision, and quality. German hallmark dividing saws guarantee high-precision panel cutting. The hallmark robot sorting cell enhance production performance and increasing yield. Hallmark laser edge bender is designed to offer effective solution for formatting and edge bending, soft forming, post forming. We employ Italy Selfra ecological finishing lines to paint doors, minimizing environment impact and providing you state-of-the-art painting effect. Well equipped with the leading industrial waste disposal system, Oppai is committed to protecting the safety and health of its employees and working environments. The intelligent warehouse management system regulates the differences between the inflow and the outflows. Oppai has 5 major plants nationwide, which covers almost 1.7 million square meters. Oppai, the largest cabinetry manufacturer in Asia.